Welcome to Los Del Rios! Yay! What's up, you guys? I am going to be showing you guys how to make lasagna really quick. This is how I make it, and you can put whatever you want, but this is what I do. This is the lasagna that I use from Barilla. Garlic, onions, olive oil, salt, paprika, and of course black pepper, and this red pepper. Got my water boiling here, has olive oil and salt, and I'm going to be using ground chicken meat because that's what we use. It's lean, it's light. So I'm going to first saute the vegetables and then put the meat, and then when the lasagna has been boiling here, I'm gonna pass it here and then layer it here. I do put cheese, not much. I use ricotta as well. Yes, so cold cut cheese will go on top in the middle, and ricotta. That's it. That is what I use. And of course, cheers, wine. No, I don't put wine. This is for me. I like my wine, you know. So let's get cooking. All right. I'm gonna be doing a 1 month update on my weight. I'm supposed to lose 45 pounds to 50, and I got 1 more month, and I have been tracking myself. I haven't lost much, but I have lost. It's weekend, my baby is home, so we are going to eat something hearty and yummy. Okay. I'm always scared that I'm gonna cut this. Comment below and tell me what you guys use, what you guys put on your lasagna, you know, typically. This is what I put. I wish I could put more vegetables, but my husband doesn't really like vegetables that much, so I have to stick to this, but either way, it turns out very good. So, I'll show you guys how it's done. You just wait till they all dive in. Eventually they do, and then just see how much more room do you have, and if you have more, you drop a few more. You don't want to overload it, you know. So I'm trying to cook them fast because it's almost 6 o'clock. Let's get back here to onion. So I'm going to cook these on low, just because I don't want them to get burned. And then when I put the meat, I will raise up the heat. The volume. So, and here I just put paprika, see, red pepper, black pepper, salt. That's it, nothing else. The meat is cooking. That's ground chicken, garlic in there. And then once 5 more minutes, and I add this, and I add that. That's homemade salsa. And this is how I'm layering them. I put them a little bit on top of each other, using a small pan because it's just 3 of us. And that's cool. That's ricotta cheese. So they're waiting here. The rest is there. And put basil leaves. The vegetables are in. Look how pretty. Beauty, beauty, beauty. Yeah, I could not open this sucker of a lid, so I had to freaking open it like this. So hard. I almost broke my hand trying to open it. Okay. Now we're putting it in. I think it's a lot. Just trying to smell it, you know. Where's the spoon? What did I do with the spoon? This is crazy. Oh. Alright, so now we're just plating it. Yeah, no, I mean, filling it in. It's pretty easy, honestly. Just gotta make sure all your stuff is cooked well. I didn't hear you clean your hands.
Oh.
Yes, exactly. Oh. That's right. Gotta wash them hands. Alright, so drink water. Lasagna's cooking. Chicken. What? You got hiccup? How did you get hiccup? Huh? Make sure you get the corners, you know. I'm gonna.
Mommy, there's something else inside of it.
Oh. All right. These are hot. Don't want to get burned, you know. Ouch. Ooh, these are hot, 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 hot.
One struggle when we open the Kindle. It's so hot.
Everything.
The
Okay.
having a baby inside.
Hmm?
This is so bad. These are not stickers. These are. These are tattoos. These are bad tattoos. That needles. How about this can work? Ah.
These. This is white American. And this is all I have. Yep. This is all I have. We're going to cook it on 375 for 20 to 25 minutes. And then you will want to broil it, like make it a little crusty on top, like brown it for like another 5 minutes, or you can just leave it like that. But I like to make it a little crusty in the top, on the top. So now I gotta clean, and then I'll show you guys the end result. Okay. And lasagna is ready. Yeah. It's very crusty. Now we're going to cut it.
What? How?
How? I don't know how.
Ow! Pancakes. These are for pancakes. See that? I see the sauce. No, I see the bubble. Also, I see
Food's cooked good.
Whoa. Are you making a big H?
You just cut it like this.
I want this part. This.
Huh?
This part.
Or hold on. Get a spoon.
On this bitty part. This bitty.
Alright, don't touch that. Which part you want? You want this part?
No, this part.
This part?
Yeah, the little tiny bitty.
Tiny bitty. This is a big part.
This is
There's no tiny bitty here.
It's a big, tiny, little beady one. It will change my mind. This is yours. And this is mine. This is my plate. You sit right here with me. Whoa. Wow.
Yummy. You guys want some?
And do you guys want more some?
Don't do that.
Guy would do hearts.
Mmm.
You know, really nice to guy. I don't see my face.
Hold on.
It smells funny. It smells funny. It smells funny with it. Just fine. It smells funny.
Why you destroyed it?
Papa, I don't see my iPad. I got it. It was dust in my room. It was just in my room. And told me to have fun to eat dinner. Wow. So chicken.
Yummy, yummy. The rest will be for tomorrow lunch. Oh my goodness, guys, it was so good. So yummy.